I finally did this number 13, 14 and up to 15. So you can see. So this is what it looks like. Now I had to again paint some stuff yellow. I mean, it doesn't make that much sense, but hey. Also, I had to repaint stuff again because this glue works kind of like a shitty paint remover since it's like liquid and well, it's still glue, so that's why it's shitty paint remover. And I also lost the cap on this thing, so thankfully I found this old, probably dried up bottle or fucking glue sheet, so I'm using this smaller cap now. That's until I find the longer one, but hey, that's all. I'm gonna be doing the number 16 next, and number 17. And probably number 18, since it's not really hiding anything, since like I'm not adding it into this wreck of a car. Okay. Hello. Internet. Welcome to another episode of Carpet unboxing. See what we got today. Nope. It's a box. It's a brown cardboard box. Okay. So I'm gonna open it. Okay. I mean, I hope it's gonna work. And no, I am not left-handed. I'm actually right-handed. But you know, camera is quite important. Duty. Okay. So what do we have here today? Today, I'm actually opening an actual normally these are, well, they either come to my house or they are too big to fit in my backpack, so there isn't any. Good. When I unravel this mystery, I mean I think it's orange. It should be my that I ordered the gay porn machine. 20 fucking 18 edition. 2017 Now right. Was I alive? Ordered it so it should go like 2 weeks. Actually what I got here is a SeaGate expansion. A portable drive. Yeah. It's 1 terabyte. And I'm actually needing this for my Wii U. Oh, Wii U. Why would I I say something like that? That's a bad word.
It's a bad word.
It's complete garbage.
That's it.
Why do Nintendo is doomed? Well, I mean, I quite like it. I don't even want the console to have that many fucking games. I'm poor as fuck. I can't buy like 1,000 games and I can't even play all of them. Like, it sounds stupid. I don't understand why do some douchebags say that Wii doesn't have any games in it. Then they just buy like five fucking Call of Duty, different Call of Duties before their Xbox breaks. And that's all, like seriously. That's all. They say that every other game is garbage other than Call of Duty. But they still say that the console should. It has some. I don't care. The thing is, digital software. My machine itself can fucking do all that. Like, keep all those things inside. The data in there. The reason why I bought this, although this is more expensive than some other things with 1 terabyte. Anyways, the cost of this is actually, let me check. It's somewhere around 80. Does it say in here? Actually, no, it doesn't. It's only my. Yeah, it only tells me what I have here. And it's only if I want to return this thing. Anyways, this thing is open. It was somewhere around 89. I'm gonna put it in something. Can't be that hard. You guys can tell. I either have or have the number in the screen in my preview. And also I should have how much I've wasted in total. Really? Okay. Just gonna take off this plastic. As you can hear, I'm quite direct. You'll probably don't. About all that, but I woke up at 8:25 and slept like 6 hours. Somewhere after 2. And I was today bowling, so my right hand is tired anyways. Like I can't make much of a sound with my when I snap things together because of how weak arm is. Here's the. This is fucking amazing looking. Like Look at this. Just nice. It's nice. Yeah. I mean, this thing is just 1 terabyte. I was expecting something that half the size of like the original Wii or some shit. But hey, this is actually quite surprising. It's a little bit more portable. I mean, it's not something that you could just put in your pocket and leave with. I mean, you could leave with. I mean, it's like the size of a fucking wallet. It's like the size of a fucking wallet. You don't keep your wallet in a fucking pocket. I mean, if you keep your wallet in your pocket, it's gonna get stolen. that if you keep this thing in your pocket, well, you're gonna lose
this thing in your pocket, well, you're gonna lose
fucking 90 euros.
fucking 90 euros.
Probably some important data or
probably some important data or
fucking porn or something, I don't know.
or some fucking porn or
very
something, I don't
important
know.
to you, eh?
Something very important to you, eh?
Well, here's the fucking thing.
Here's the fucking thing.
It's got the fucking paper here.
It's got the fucking
I'm maybe gonna read it. I mean, it's not
I'm
just gonna check it.
It's not nothing important. I'm just gonna check it.
Okay.
That's all.
Here's what I got today.
Here's what I got today.
Don't mind those, just some playing cards.
Don't mind those,
Okay.
just some playing cards. Okay.